It is apple season. Nik Manojlovich from Weekend at the Cottage has 3 ways to use fresh Ontario crops.
Ontario apples are in season and we are all going to enjoy them this season, trust me. It is an incredible year for apples. And Annette, I brought 3 different ideas. I'm going to start real quick with an apple bread. So forget about banana bread. Nobody needs zucchini bread. Can we get in there and see this? Look at this. Beautiful. Let me turn it a little bit.
Oh, look at your nails.
So you can see the... Don't look at my nails. Look at the chunks of apple in this very moist apple bread, right?
Is that one like banana bread where you should like make it and then let it sit for a day?
Yeah, exactly. And the thing here is that we're not using that, that banana that's been stuck in the thing for years. We're using fresh Ontario apples. You're looking for Foodland Ontario logo signs in the stores, and you pick your favorite and then make this. Let's go this way to the far side. This is. Can you get it? Can you serve that? Can you try to serve that now?
I'm not going to touch this because
the
it's
dish
really
is hot. But you're looking at zipped up. Look at that sourdough. I did a mirepoix of onion and garlic and celery, and then sausage and fresh herbs. Maybe even try some, yeah. And
what did you call it? What did you...
It's a sausage. It's a sausage
what was the French
apple.
word that you
mirepoix. That's your mix of apple and I used Cortland apples. So this, I know, I used Macintosh, Ontario Macintosh here. I used Cortland. And let me just do a quick cut into this Cortland to show. Like, look at the flesh. It has these like almost...
Very white.
Yeah, and the flavor is spectacular. And that, for this, and don't think you only have to serve this at Thanksgiving. You can serve stuffing tonight. Let's do a recipe together.
Okay.
Look at those apples.
Look at them apples.
Look at them apples. I did Honeycrisp. I threw in a Cortland. I threw in a Mac. And now this is my famous salted caramel sauce from apple pie. So, in thinking about this, yeah, look at you. You can do this and that. Everyone can make this at home. You can do this, everybody. Stir, stir.
Hey, you know what? I made an apple pie on the weekend.
See?
From scratch.
Honestly, because the apples are coming in and because they're so beautiful, I want you to pick your favorite and then head to the website and find the apple recipe perfect for you.
Okay.
Right? So the trick here is it's not an apple crumble and it's not an apple crisp, it's both. So I used oat flour in doing the top. Look at this. Look at how sticky and gorgeous and amazing this is, right? Oh, okay. That's
every last little bit. Okay.
And now I'm going to do the topping, right? Notice I use this very pretty little dish, right? You can use a beautiful.
Lots of butter.
Yeah, tons of butter and oats and pecans. You put this on top and you stick it in the oven, and I'm telling you, it is ready to go. Let's show everyone how amazing.
So that's it.
That's it.
That's all you do.
That's it.
So it's probably cutting up the apples takes you longer.
Totally. And the sauce is really quick. It comes together real quickly. I baked this one off while we're sitting here. That's why the studio smells so amazing. Can I serve it? Yeah, look at this. Look at this, Annette. Can you imagine? No, but don't get too excited because I just love to put ice cream on that. Do you want to serve this one? I'll work on and I'll do ice cream. So again, the thought is your favorite Ontario apple. You're using Honeycrisp, Gala, Cortland's, Spies, Ida Reds. Oh, wait! If you think that dressing tastes, use this spoon. No. Use the other one. But if you think that dressing was great, or this banana, or this apple bread is fantastic, this is the kicker. And look at how quickly we made it. Are we gonna do? Yeah, look at this.
We made 3.
And look at we made 3. Right? Yeah. It's the oats. It's the oat flour in here, it's the pecans, and then the apples. And by not shaving or grating apples, you get that hit of flavor in all
nice
3 of these. Yeah, I'm telling you,
I like that tip.
Stop grating apples. You leave them chunky. That's the way to enjoy this.
Okay.
How fantastic is that?
And all 3 recipes are up on the weekend at the Cottage.
And don't wait for Thanksgiving to enjoy these recipes. Make them now and then make them again at Thanksgiving.
Okay.
That's what I would do.
Apple time.
Apple
for
time.
sharing for
Apple
the friends.
season.
Awesome. We'll get the links up on our website, chch.com/morninglive. Yeah, look for Foodland Ontario.
That's it. Ooh.